Hi guys, in this episode I'll be looking at the new features, differences and also providing to you my final thoughts on the new and affordable Apple Watch SE. Welcome to Honest Straightforward Reviews, where I provide you with product reviews funded by me, thus eliminating bias towards a product, giving you an honest, unbiased review. Let's look at the things that are added to the Apple Watch SE. The cheaper Apple Watch SE only comes in aluminum case and has yellow, black and silver color option. It has everything that the Apple Watch Series 6 has except for the option in cases, as in having titanium and stainless steel, the color options of blue and red, the always on display, the mysterious U1 ultra wide chip and the blood oxygen monitor. To my surprise, the Apple Watch SE version has the always on altimeter, which is a very important feature for hikers, and the Apple Watch Series 5 doesn't have this. Now they've taken Force Touch out, so there's no Force Touch anymore. So you can also share your face as well, Apple Watch face. Other than that, it's basically the same exact thing. The major difference is in the back of the Apple Watch, where you've got a very modest looking sensor, just a single sensor in the back and the ceramic back, and yeah, that's basically it. All right, let's go and break down the other differences between them. The Apple Watch SE also has fall detection, which triggers a message to your emergency contacts if it detects a hard fall. It has noise monitoring to warn you of your environment if it gets too noisy, and a hand washing timer that kicks in automatically when you're washing your hands to ensure you've done a good job. I feel like the oxygen monitor and hand washing app are very gimmicky for my taste. If you would like to see what I think about the blood oxygen monitor in the Series 6, please watch my full review of that Apple Watch. At the end of this video, I've included the link for that. The Apple Watch SE has all the features that makes Apple Watches so good at not only being a fantastic workout tracker and motivator, but also at getting things done without having to take out your phone all the time to have a look at what's going on. At a starting price of $429, I feel like the price could have been reduced a little bit more to make the SE well worth the purchase. The original iPhone SE, when it got introduced back in the day, had the same powerful A9 chip as Apple's flagship iPhone 6s Plus had at the time. I would have liked the Apple Watch SE to have a similar sort of situation where it would have not been compromised in terms of processing power. I would have liked to see the S6 chip in this. Verdict: if you do not have an Apple Watch right now and you're using an iPhone, or you're on a tight budget, or you're using an iPhone that is older than the Series 4, then I would highly recommend that you look at the Apple Watch SE. It is a very good activity tracker and a good update on the things that it does correctly. That's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot and it helps other people find it.